Hello, my unboxing friends. I hope you are well today. Today I have something very exciting for me. It is my first FabFitFun starter box. Well, the starter box would be the first, but I got it thanks to Gina from UnboxingDiscoverybyG. Now, I will leave her link down below. I love watching her unboxing videos. She's a sweetie pie. So she set me up with this starter box, and I am dying to get into it. It's been here for a whole day, and I haven't looked. I mean, come on. But first, I would like to talk about Tailors of Harrods. Now, Harrogate. I'm sorry. Tailors of Harrogate. They are a tea company from the UK. Now, if anybody knows tea, it's folks from the UK. And I get this on Amazon. And it's a subscribe and save. So if you subscribe to get regular deliveries, you usually get a discount on products. So since I can't drink coffee anymore, which is a bummer because I love coffee, but since I can't, I'm drinking more tea. And I did want to get some different kind of teas to try. So I decided to try these. Now this is a pack of 48. And it comes like this. It always comes messed up like this, but it has these little trays that keeps them separated. You get 6 of each flavor, and they really are very good. So I get this for about $10, which is a great price. And, well, someone is texting me. I'm sorry, I'm busy. But I've decided that the organic chamomile is my absolute favorite. So I've changed my subscription, and you can do that. So you go into your subscriptions in the drop-down menu of Amazon, and you look to see what you've subscribed to. And it says you can change things. So I do, and I go in there, and it's a drop-down menu, and there's all kinds of teas to choose from. And it was just so easy. So my next one is coming in 2 weeks, and it's going to be all of the organic chamomile. And I still get to take advantage of the savings because I'm still subscribed. So that's a wonderful thing. Okay. That was my tea. Now for FabFitFun. Okay. So I cut open the seal. Okay. Let's see what we got. I'm not even looking. Woo! And that's what it looks like. We're gonna take the FabFitFun magazine out, and what's in the box you can't see. And I have some paper. And that's what I see. I'm excited. Okay. A note from us. We're all about bringing you the best of the best. That's why we're super excited for you to experience the starter box. It's just a small taste of what you can look forward to as a FabFitFun member. Enjoy some of our top-rated products, and don't forget that your next box will be even bigger and include even more products. Happy unboxing. And let me just tell you that all I paid for the starter box is $5, thanks to Gina. Now, normally the boxes come quarterly, so you get them 4 times a year. They're $49.99 per box. But if you prepay for 4 boxes, so that's for the whole year, I think that's like $179 per year. then you get each box for $45. Also, in the regular box, you get 6 to 8 full-size products, and you get 4 customizations. If you prepay, become one of like the elite folks, you get all customizations. So you get to choose every product in the box, which is fabulous. And I've been seeing so many videos with FabFitFun, and I love what everybody gets. So let's go. Let's do this. First thing I'm pulling out is this. Hold on. Is this a bucket hat? Because if this is a bucket hat, I'm very happy. I do like to sit by my pool, but I do like to wear a hat. So I have like a straw hat kind of deal. Oh, but this would match my suit. It is. It's a bucket hat. How cute. Looks like it's reversible. You can do white on one side. It is from Alice and Olivia by Stacy Bendett. Reversible bucket hat. I love it. I love it. Is it machine washable? Hand wash and cold. Don't bleach. Line dry. All of that fun stuff. I love it. I don't want... not bad, huh? Styling and profiling right by my pool. So that's the first item. Second item I'm pulling out is the Perfect Repair Treatment Mask from Nature Lab. Let's see what it says about this. This retails for $16. The bucket hat, oh my goodness, it retails for $85. Okay, back to the Perfect Repair. Use this treatment mask to restore dull hair from the scalp to strands with keratin technology and argan and prickly pear oils. Very nice. Let's see. I have a thing about scents. If it's too strong, I can't use it. It smells good. It's a light green color. Feels very smooth. Doesn't feel greasy at all. I like the smell. Oh, I might still have makeup on my hand. Yeah. I put foundation on my hand to warm it up. It goes on nicer. So I got that. Next thing. Bubble wrap. I have the Pure Iconic Glow Illuminating Face and Body Dry Oil. It's hard with these shiny packages. There you go. Let's see what this looks like. Ooh, how pretty. It's gold. Let's see what it says. Iconic Glow Illuminating Face and Body Dry Oil. Apply this antioxidant-rich oil to your face and body for a radiant shimmer. Very nice. How does it work? Do I have to open it, probably? Right? Confused? Usually you twist these tops. confused. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh. So it's a dropper. And you use that to squeeze it out. Well, I might as well take that. Oh, wow, that's pretty. See a little bit of shimmer in there. That's pretty. Okay, now I'm just really rubbing it in. And I can see like little tiny flecks of gold in there. That would look good on your décolletage. Very nice. Okay, what's the next thing? Looks like I have one more thing. It's a daily planner. It's pretty. Look how cute those flowers are. And I'm kind of on the artist side, so when I paint, I love painting flowers, so this is like right up my alley. So I'm gonna break this open and see what we got. Oh, this is a pack of stickers that came with it. Let's check those out. And I know that on FabFitFun, after you have a certain period of time to choose your customizations, and then they also, I don't know when, but they have like add-ons that you can get for super cheap. So we have regular flowers, which I like, another regular flowers. Then we have hair appointment, doctor appointment, to do, girls' night, all those things that you can put on your planner. Comes with a couple, oh, it comes with 3 of those. Very nice. I am liking this. Put that over there. And it comes with these little packages. There we go. Help of a knife. Oh, okay. These are highlighters. So this one looks like a peachy coral. That's what it looks like to me. Maybe orange, bright orange, fluorescent orange. And then it has a smaller side that looks pink. And then this one is green and blue. Or purple. Probably blue. I like those. And then here we have the planner. So it has like a rough texture on the front. Planner belongs to let's see. Oh, okay. Oh, very nice. You can write in your own date. I love that because I don't make entries every day into my planner. To do morning, afternoon, evening, my top priorities is to open more boxes. And today I'm grateful for the FabFitFun box I received from Gina. Thank you so much. What else have we got in here? It looks like that's all the same, and you can add your cute little stickers in here that they gave us for date night, which I have one coming up. It's my wedding anniversary. So that's what I got. What does it say about that? Now that planner bundle was worth $45. Keep track of your to-do lists and appointments in these stylish notebooks. And it's funny, I was just thinking about one of these planners. Well, there we go. We got the illuminating spray, the perfect repair mask, a bucket hat, and my planner. This was a great starter box for $5 shipping. And with that, I would like to thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. You can even comment if you want. I would like that too. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon.